All right, so we're talking about Christmas, but Thanksgiving, 10 days.
10 days away. Chief Meteorologist Mike Nelson with what we can expect for Thanksgiving. Mike?
Well, at least for the next few days, it's going to feel very much like early fall rather than almost Thanksgiving. Let me show you a lovely sunset tonight in time lapse from our Viero camera up in all. Look at the beautiful color we had along the Front Range. If you look real close, you can see that little crescent moon slipping down by the horizon earlier this evening. As far as tomorrow morning, we'll have some high clouds out there, but mild. 48 degrees at 7 a.m., 55 by 9 a.m., and 62 by 11 a.m. Today, the high temperature reaching up to 68 degrees, way above the average of 52, but well shy of the record high of 80 set in 2016. Record low is 4 below zero, 1955. Our morning low was at 33. And right now, it's really mild out there. 46 downtown and at the airport. The pressure 30-33 rising. Winds are out of the southwest at 11 miles per hour. We're going to start out down in the tropics, though. Hurricane Iota, which was a Category 5, is now slamming onshore in Guatemala and Honduras and is virtually in the exact same spot as where Eta struck 13 days ago. So this is going to be really a terrible situation with the flooding and the storm surge in those areas. That storm cuts across Central America. Meanwhile, back here, our storm track is lifted well to the north of us, and it's going along the U.S.-Canadian border. That's where any of the rain and snow is, and so with that, it's going to be quiet for a while. Just a few high clouds coming in. Overnight lows tonight, not all that cold. 35 in Denver, 32 for Fort Collins, Greeley at 30 degrees, 16 at Leadville, 13 at Gunnison along the Front Range, 17 at Kremling, otherwise mostly in the 20s in the mountains, and 30s to low 40s for lower elevations. I think we'll have a colorful sunrise tomorrow with some of those high clouds. There's actually a little warm front that's going to cut across the state, so it'll be warm and dry, a little bit warmer than it was today, with a high temperature in Denver of 70, the same at Akron, 72 at Ray and Burlington, down to La Junta. Even in the mountains, the highs tomorrow are going to be mostly in the 50s, so some very mild weather coming up. Mostly clear tonight, 35 for a low temperature. For tomorrow, mostly sunny, warmer with a high of 70. That's not even the warmest. That comes Wednesday with a high of 73 with sunshine. Thursday, still in the upper 60s, warm and dry. Friday, clouds increase as the next storm system starts to move in. That'll arrive this weekend. I think we'll get about 4 to 8 inches of snow in the mountains this weekend, and we'll have a little bit of light rain and snow and some colder temperatures, but more typical of this time in November with highs expected to be in the 40s. Stay with us. Sports is coming up.